Yep, this is the bike before primer. I didn't take it down to the metal. You don't have to. Some people do, but as long as it's all smooth and cleaned, it should be good. I'll show it to you once it's all primered. Alright, now here it is all primered up. Looking nice and smooth. You see the VIN number on it. Came out pretty good primer wise. Might just before I paint it, scuff it up with some Scotch-Brite before I throw the final coat of paint. Yep, so this is part 2 of the 26-inch BMX custom build. You can see it a little better. Alright, cool. Next time you see it, it's going to be painted. I'm going to give it about 10-20 minutes, let it paint dry, and then I'll throw the paint